There's a Filipino word, kapwa or companionship. It is emphasized shared identity and interconnectedness. It goes beyond simple empathy that highlights sense of loob, pakikiramdam, and pananagutan, or simply mean moral obligation to others. It is a simple morning of Cagayan de Oro, where students have a different activities and responsibility. As a student, some are privileged, some are unfortunate, like Leonard. Leonard is a working student and he always rushes to attend his class on time. Kapwa wasn't something I learned in a textbook. It was in the environment I am. And that's why kapwa isn't just a word for me. It's how I live, and that reminds me that I'm not alone. Helping other in a small way is not just simply helping. It's all about kapwa. Pakikipagkapwa is one of the best value of the Philippines. It is the very core of the Filipino cultures, and we Filipino believe that they have no separate existence. We build relationship toward others and always put responsibilities not just for ourselves but for everyone around us.